Hello. It is Saturday. It is the bi-monthly drive-through. There's a hair stuck on my lip. Drive-through food pantry. I don't know if I'm going to post this, when I'm going to post it. I might post it on Friday in lieu of a cooking. I straightened my hair since I cut it to make sure it was even. I didn't do too bad. I used to cut everybody's hair. And these glasses fun. They're clear and they have pearls. And I have a chicken sweater on. And I have a dog beeper because this friend we're watching, also I have sweat. This friend we're watching likes to try to eat the cats. So I have to tell her, no, Jazzy, and make a beep sound. Anyways, I think it's getting bad out there, guys. Like, the amount of people that go are more. You're eating an apple because people need it. Like, go get help. The amount of stuff that they're handing out is less, which, not complaining, just statement. But they asked for donations today. And I don't think that they're through the state because they don't pop up. Muffins, they don't pop up if you look on the state registry. So I think they're hurting. I gave a donation because I felt really bad. Plus, it is so cold outside. It's so windy. And these people are like out there dancing and saying like, have a great week. So they're asking for $3. So, but I feel bad. Oh, I feel bad. Anyways, oh my gosh, why am I so sweaty? It's so hot outside, but I mean, it's so cold outside, but I'm so hot. Let me show you what we got. So, first things first, a bag of apples. And these are just your red delicious. 2 lettuce. And the middle one's already gotten an apple. She already had to have one. Some coleslaw, I believe. Summer slaw. Some salsa. I was actually going to make salsa tonight for my HT challenge. That's what the letters I have to use tonight. Another bag of this mozzarella cheese, which is amazing because I just used the last of it on the lasagna I made last night. So my theory is, even if I'm making the lasagnas for people, I'm helping someone who needs. A lot of times people do it because they're on hard times. They're not just getting it, even though you can. So I'm giving back that way. This is kind of my theory. A big block of cheddar cheese, a breakfast sandwich, and a turkey guacamole sandwich. So I've come to the conclusions that these ones are from Chick-fil-A. So this must be the tortilla soup. And then these are chicken strips. Yummy. 8 little milks, which are great too for sending with the big one to school. And everybody's already talking about these muffins. Do you need a muffin? A pack of, I don't know how to do this. 12 individual muffins. Sorry. Here. Here's your muffin. One-handed mom muffin. Oh, you done with your apple? Okay. Some oatmeal raisin cookies. Here. And look at these. Oh my gosh. 2, 4, 6, 7. I'm going to put these in Easter baskets, I think. Oh. Reese's footballs. 1 partly eaten apple. Someone said this stuff is really expensive. This is chocolate. It's like a protein powder. But I like to put this in the middle one's milk because she's very thin and always moving, so she needs all the calories. 2 bags of Chipotle chips. 1 bag of walnuts from my hometown. Some lentils. A bag of rice, which full protein right there. And a crushed container of crushed pineapple. This might need to be opened pretty soon because that's kind of, it's right in the middle, but it could have compromised the seal. So we'll make sure that that's still good. And that's it. Ooh, why does it seem so close? Is it my glasses? Because they're really big. There you have it. Also, Nyla's back. Nyla. She's here until Monday. And so is Jazzy. Jazzy! She's the one that likes to eat the cats. But I almost fell over. I spun too quick. There you have it. If you are in need of food, or if you're in need of food and you find yourself struggling after you get paid or however it is you get your monies, whatever, panhandling, I don't know, however you get it, cool. No kitties. If you are not able to afford food or you're coming short on bills to be able to provide food for your family, please seek your local food pantry. If you need help, there are resources in the description box below, or you can email me and I will help you find one. It might take me a minute. I'm real bad at like communication because I've got a lot going on, but it's okay. Remember, you deserve to eat. You deserve food. You deserve clothes, shoes, and food. You don't deserve to look at my lips sweat. Thank you for coming. Bye, best friends. Also, super funny. Josh was like, I need to get a bucket. Let me see this. He's like, I need another bucket for another chicken feeder he made. And it's super windy today, and this was in our front yard. And it's perfect. See? Ask and you shall receive.